Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Well, the flu has hit the Hughes house. Callie went back to school yesterday. Isn't this the saddest picture? I need to call her in just a minute and see how she's feeling. I do have a video, click on the link up above or down below of a sick kit that you can make. It's not perfect, it just gives you a general idea of what you could do to put a sick kit together during the flu season so you're ready to go when it hits your family. I have hot tea with me. Kids have gotten their meds. I've kept track of all of their fevers and meds on a notebook, and I'll share that with you. Okie dokie, this is the sheet. I'm just keeping track of everyone's meds and when we took temperatures and how they're doing. Our thermometer is having some issues, so Derek's almost here. He's gonna take a look at it. It's brand new, it shouldn't have issues, but I'm keeping track of when we took the temperatures. Like right here's ibuprofen, Tylenol, because we switch every 4 hours with that if needed. The prescriptions, temperature, NyQuil, and this helps keep track if you have more than one person in your house getting sick. And I'll make a new sheet for tomorrow. But this is so dang helpful. So that keeps us knowing what the heck we're doing, who's got what when. So Jonah got all the kids out there. They've got blankets and pillows, and they just started a movie, Christopher Robin, and I said, I'm gonna go rest. Let me know when it's over. So Jonah's holding down the fort. So, oh my gosh. Let me know if you've had the flu this season, what has worked to help get rid of it quickly, comfort you guys, any of that. I would love to know. Good evening. Kids are watching TV. They're on the couch chilling. I got dinner in the oven. Thank goodness that, was it yesterday, the day before yesterday? I worked on some freezer meals and meal prepped and made some meals for the week. I doubled my recipes and kept them in the fridge. Oh, didn't have to thaw them out or anything. I just dumped the bag in the pan and it's in the oven. Thank goodness, because I don't have it in me. I just don't. No one's throwing up. It's just fever, aches, coughs. Thank goodness. So, knock on wood. So right now I am trying my hardest to pick up. I just have low energy. So I did rest, I just didn't sleep. I thought I was gonna fall asleep, but got a lot of work done. I worked on my project, my presentation for tomorrow night that I'm doing on organizing. So right now I'm just picking up the kitchen before dinner gets out of the oven and just trying to do my night routine. So plug along with me. I can't even talk. Good morning. Yep, it's that time of the year where I get my hair touched up. Isn't that funny? And then I'm getting my nails done too. Today's Thursday. I leave the house for tutoring and I pretty much block my time where anytime that I'm leaving the house is when I get the majority of my errands done. So today I have this hair appointment. It's gonna take pretty much a few hours, so it's taking up my day. So, but I'm also in an area where I'm like, okay, what else can I get done today? It's gonna be my errand day. I'm going to the post office. I am going to vacuum out my car, and I am stopping off at one store because I need to get some things for my my volunteer job in the temple. So I'm gonna do whatever I can get done before I need to head home now. So that's how I'm blocking my day. That's how I do it. Okay, dinner is done. It was meal prepped for Monday when I did the freezer meals. Doubled my freezer meals, put one in the fridge. And this was the Thai chicken lettuce wraps. And now I'm just shredding up the chicken in the crock pot. And I'm gonna feed the family. And then I have an hour before the presentation. I have to give the, what are you doing? The segment that I am doing for the class tonight at church, which is organizing. And I decided how to organize your time. That's what I decided to talk on. So, all right, I'm gonna dish the family up, and then I'm gonna sit and focus on what I'm gonna say, get my thoughts together, and it's all gonna be good. Where are you getting this energy, and can I have some? Don't tickle me. Don't tickle me.
I love Mommy.
I love you. Hello friends, it is Sunday, and if you saw my plan with me video yesterday, you would know that I got nothing done in zone 2 like I planned out in my planner. But today is Sunday. I'm still feeling blah, but I had just a few minutes where I could actually do something in last week's zone, which is the kitchen. So I grabbed out one of my microfiber cloths and I wiped down the cupboards. It took literally 5 minutes, like not long at all. That got done in my zone. So yeah, and then this week it's zone 3 and it's the main bathroom, and I'll put those on my goals for this week. So feels good. Even though I didn't get to go into my cupboards and declutter like I wanted to, it's okay. It's okay. I wiped down my cupboards. Something was done in zone 2. So I'll just focus on zone 3 this week.